Hey guys, welcome once again. And in this video, we will learn about what is fax archiving. Okay, and what are the methods for archiving. So you should know this because it is very important from point of view of reducing disk space. Okay, and maintaining disk space because uh, if large number of volume of faxes are generating every day and you have limited capacity in hard disk, so that will be consumed very faster. So in that condition we can use archiving technology or method. So it will keep archiving those old faxes and will provide you sufficient space or some more space, okay, for storage of faxes, fax images. So there are a couple of methods organizations are using. So I'm going to discuss those things here. I hope this is gonna be informative. So guys, uh, let me take highlighter first. So RightFax offers the following methods for archiving. Okay, so the very first one is Workserver. We can configure Workserver for archiving, and RightFax archiving module we have. Okay, and the next one is RightFax XML generator and RightFax vault modules. So these are the three methods we can apply, or any one of these three we can apply. So let me take you to server, RightFax server, so that we can see live also, or live I mean to say practical, what it is actually. So I have deployed three RightFax server. I will show you deployment. I showed you how to connect multiple servers to communicate each other, that I will show you later on. So what we have to do, we need to go to interface fax manager, EFM, and services. So if you click services, you can see here uh, one is module server. We can use this. So let me just go to configure what is available here, configure service. So you can see here, and I'm just closing it. So you can see a couple of things like this archive option you can select from here. Okay, and path you need to give. So these things we will learn later on. And apart from this uh, archiving module, we should have here queue handler, licensing, transport, archive model. Let me. This is RPC, RightFax, queue handler, licensing, transport, doc transport. So as of now, I cannot see here, or it is available. Let me check this integration module. So let's see here. So I think I have missed during the installation of that. So we can use. I told you there are three. So we can go for work server also. Okay, and let me tell you about the same little more. So guys, Workserver, how we can use this to reduce uh, heavy disk consumption. So faxes are moved to a location that you specify. So you can specify a location here. Okay, let me take you one more time to this. So if you select this, it will ask you path, this path. Okay, and index files like separate file per page output, or a couple of things you can see here. Archive cover sheet, always delete after archiving. Okay, and let's see the next one. Faxes can be retained in this folder. So we can retain faxes in this folder, moved to different media, okay, or picked up by third-party tools such as document management system. So we can do it with the help of Workserver. The next thing, Archiving occurs when RightFax has finished processing the fax for transmission. So it will happen post this transmission is completed. Okay, when this transmission is finished successfully, and records about the faxes are retained in RightFax database so that reports can still be run. Okay, and all records will be stored on RightFax database, so we can run reports also. And the next one is RightFax archive model. Okay, module. So archive module here. Once again, I will check fax licensing conversion sync EQ data. So that is not I can see here. I will show you that in next video. So yes, that is also one method. So let's talk about and understand. So guys, archive is maintained in RightFax SQL database. Okay, and apart from this, archived fax can be viewed in fax util and web. Okay, users can view, print, download, and save uh, of archived copies. So we have, for example, we have this storage, and we have couple of archived faxes here. So with the help of fax util and fax util web, we can view, edit, and we can manage that, which includes viewing it, printing it, downloading it, and saving copies of archived faxes. Okay guys, users can search their archived faxes, right? And archiving occurs on the schedule that is set for fax server maintenance. So let's see here if we have any other option. Database, if we go to database and SQL connection, so you can see here this one. Okay, so RightFax archive is available, and I think we don't have license, that is why it is disappeared or invisible. Okay, so we need to have licenses also for this service. So RightFax archiving, and apart from that, let me show you some other method. The next method, or license separately. That is why I'm telling you, that is what I'm telling you, licensed separately. We need separate license for this. Okay, that is why it is not visible here. Once I clicked on this database and SQL connection, and this one RightFax archive service. Okay guys, the next method is RightFax XML generator and RightFax Vault modules. What is happening here and what will happen? Let's try to understand. So files are moved to a folder that you specify. Once again, we will specify one path. Faxes can be retained in this folder, moved to different media, or picked up by third-party tools. Okay, same stuff here. And XML data meta about the faxes can be used by third-party document management tool that use XML, such as FileNet. Okay, let's see, this FileNet is available here, or we can check, I think. This one, FileNet, print. It is not here. In some other video, I will show you that FileNet and all in coming up. Okay, and records about the faxes are retained in the RightFax database. So again, it will also use database, SQL database, so that reports can still run. And Workserver archiving is disabled. Okay, Workserver archiving is disabled. If we are using this, should go with, this should be disabled. And licensed separately, we need license separately for this. So guys, here I am done with this video. This much information I wanted to share separately, and if you feel it is informative, you know what you have to do. So I would request you to stay with the channel, subscribe it, so that you can learn further. And in next video, we are going to learn about just now I showed you here, we are going to learn about managing fax servers with RightFax Enterprise Fax Manager, that is also known as EFM. Okay, and how to manage it, I will show you step by step in next video. So for that, what you have to do is just subscribe channel and stay with channel. So I'll meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.